Good morning. This is Mr. Burns, CPDLF science instructor, and it is Monday, May 7th. There are 15 days left in the school year. Yay! I know you're all looking forward to that, and so am I. And there's been lots of work coming in, and I'm very glad to see that. I have to just keep on sending it in. You need to get it in. I want to see you get caught up, and I want to see you be successful. I need to say one thing though. Much of the work has lost its quality, okay? You need to keep the quality up as well as get the work in. What good does it do to lower your grade right now by sending in very poor quality stuff, okay? That doesn't help you at all. Or even if your grade wasn't lowered, to send in stuff that isn't any good means you're not getting any value out of the course. Okay, and you're just not learning anything, and very likely you will be lowering your score. So yes, you need to get the work in, but yes, you need to keep the quality up. Please do that. If you have any questions on anything, please let me know. I'm glad to help you anytime. You can contact me during the help chat sessions, through email or through Hangouts, no problem. I'll get right back with you. Please make your questions, though, as specific as possible. It's very hard to answer questions that just say, I don't understand the lesson, okay? I can't do much with that. You need to jump in there, try to figure it out, and ask very specific questions, and I will be very glad to answer them. Okay, for last week, you did a lesson called Hazardous Waste, number 54, and a project called Hazardous Waste 55, Environmental Health 56, and a project called Environmental Health 57. Lots of that's been coming in. I think you do have a good grasp on what hazardous waste is and how it affects the environment as well as people. So keep up the good work. Environmental health, many things affect the environment. Okay, many things that people do, and there's even sources of natural pollution out there. Yes, I hope that you're learning from those, and it's really broadening your perspective on what it means, what it means to use energy. And yes, cause pollution problems, but what we can do to overcome those problems. Okay, for this week, your first lesson is called Sustainable Cities, 58. What does the word sustainable mean? Okay, think about that. Sustainable, lasting, right? Able to renew itself, not declining, that kind of thing. You have a project called Sustainable Cities, number 59. You have an environmental economics lesson, number 60, and a project called Environmental Economics. When you consider something like environmental economics, we need to think about, we use a lot of energy. I'll take coal as an example. Many people say that coal does really hurt our environment. And you know, there's evidence to show for that. When we go and buy a load of coal, or any industry does the price that they're paying include the environmental dangers, problems that it might cause? And I could pick any other source of energy too. If I pick nuclear energy, yes, it doesn't appear to cause much environmental problems at all, but what about disposing of the waste? Okay, nuclear waste, that's a really big deal. Does the cost that people pay for electricity pay for that? The cost that it takes to protect our environment from nuclear leaks, okay, from radiation coming out in the environment. Just costs to consider. Do we really pay what the whole thing costs? So think about that when you do the lesson. Okay, our reflection question for this week is, what is meant by sustainable cities? Give me a definition of that. What is meant by sustainable cities? Okay, that's it for this week. Again, keep getting the work in, but don't let the quality go down, okay? I can't say that enough. You need to keep the quality up. I don't like to see people get zeros for blank lessons and all that sort of thing. And if you need any help, again, I'm available anytime. As long as the questions are specific, I'll be glad to help you. All right, have a great week, and I'm sure we'll be talking again. Bye now.